October 14th, 2020 practice. Number 1, evaluate or solve using the distributive property. All right, so we've got some circles here. We've got multiplication. We've got parentheses. We've got numbers. We've got some arrows. All right, we are going to use all of these and help us with the distributive property. So, this case, our first step, what we need to do using the distributive property is circle the number in front of the parentheses. So the number in front of the parentheses is going to be 6. So I'm going to circle that. Now, we are going to take the 6 and we are going to distribute it or multiply it to each number in the parentheses. So the first one is going to be that 10. So that's 6 times 10. So I'm going to write down 6 times 10. So in parentheses, I'm going to do 6 times 10. Alrighty, now the next part, and then I'm going to close that parentheses. The next part that we need to look at is, okay, so what symbol is in between? Well, there's an addition symbol. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to make that pink. So that addition symbol, we are going to, I'm going to kind of put it over here. This addition symbol, we are going to keep that. Put that there. All right, we are going to keep that addition symbol. I'm going to move this on over. And with that addition symbol, now after it, what is the next part that we are going to distribute the 6 to? Well, the next part that we're going to distribute that 6 to is going to be to the 4. So 6 times 4. So I'm going to have our parentheses. I'm going to have 6 times 4. Now, what we're going to do, now we're going to close our parentheses. Now our next step is we're going to solve. Remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, we need to solve inside the parentheses. So what is 6 times 10? Well, I know that 6 times 10 is going to be 60. So I'm going to put 60, 60. Now I'm going to have that plus again, that addition symbol. So that addition symbol is going to go in between because I'm going to keep that symbol there. And then I'm going to have what? Oh, 6 times 4. What is 6 times 4? I know that's 24. So now we have 60 plus 24. What is 60 plus 24? Well, 60, 70, 84. Woohoo! 84. So our answer is going to be 84. That's it. You can circle your answer if you want to. You don't have to. Here we go. So there's our first answer. So we simplified it and we solved it using our distributive property. Easy peasy. Let's take a look at this next one. So we are going to evaluate using the distributive property. All right, first step, we're going to circle that number in front of the parentheses. Now in this case, we are going to have that 9. And now we have 3 different terms in the parentheses. Easy peasy, don't stress. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that first one, which is the 5. So 9 times 5. All right, so I'm going to have that parentheses 9 times 5. Close parentheses. What is that symbol in between? That is an addition symbol. So I'm going to put plus. Now our next set. What's the next one? 9 times what? Oh, 4. 9 times 4. I'm going to put 9 times 4. Alrighty. Now what symbol is in between there? Addition. So we're going to keep that addition symbol. So we are going to add. I'm going to actually highlight those in red as well so that we know we are keeping those symbols. Okay, so now we have what? Well, looks to be we have 9, and then we have times that 7. So I'm actually going to move this over to the 7. So now we have 9 times 7. 9 times 7. Make that in black still. All right, perfect. There we go. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. There we go. All right, so move this over a little bit. Okay, perfect. Alrighty, so now we have 9 times 5 plus 9 times 4 plus 9 times 7. All right, so let's simplify. What is 9 times 5? I know that's 45. We're going to keep that addition symbol. What's 9 times 4? Well, I know 9 times 4 is 36. We're going to keep that addition symbol. What's 9 times 7? I know that is 63. All right, now we are going to add them. So when we add, we can go from left to right. Left to right. 45 plus 36. Let's see. If we do 45 plus 36, you can write this on a piece of paper, but you will end up getting 81. So I'm going to do 81. And then I did not use that other plus or that 63 yet. So now I have 81 plus 63, which is going to give us 144. And that's going to be our answer. So you can circle that if you'd like to. You don't have to, but that is our final answer. And you did it. Great job.